Green social prescribing is I suppose a fairly new term. Really it's about creating systems and mechanisms to enable people to access nature for their health and well-being. Organisations that help facilitate people's access to nature are incredibly important. There's some really incredibly skilled groups and practitioners and facilitators. So yeah, the big job is to really ensure that they're well supported and valued and can sustain themselves long term.
My name is Hazel Bennon and I am a volunteer officer at St Werburgh City Farm. I found the farm through internet search when I was feeling very socially isolated myself, almost a year after my own daughter sadly passed away. I think that my own mental state since I've been coming to the farm, and in particular Boiling Wells, has improved dramatically. I feel more confident in my own skills and abilities. So our volunteers are people who come with a very diverse range of needs. It could be people who are suffering from isolation, people who are in recovery, people who have special educational needs, are disabled, are elderly, or just need some support to improve their mental well-being.
My name's Phil and I've been volunteering at St Werburgh City Farm for 7 years. Because I've got a bad leg, that did affect me quite badly at first. But the farm is perfect. It keeps you mentally and physically active, being outdoors, meeting new people, learning new things, and generally just not sitting at home and you know, getting out and enjoying myself. Each day is totally different. We work with the animals. Today we're doing crafts. We're doing some woodwork, everything you can think of. It's amazing.
In a way, it's a shame that nature has to be prescribed, but I think it's essential now that it is prescribed to people and that people are given that sort of permission to get into nature and reconnect with being a human being.
So the findings of the Green Social Prescribing pilot programme showed that people's happiness levels, their life satisfaction, their sense of life being worthwhile, all increased, and their levels of anxiety decreased significantly. And we desperately need people who are in decision-making roles to see the benefit and support these organisations in the long term.